Hi, and welcome to this training tidbit on how to complete an annual troop finance report. Thanks so much for joining us today. This training is approximately 7 minutes long, and you will learn when and why you need to submit the annual troop finance report, what you will need to prepare for the report, how to access and submit it, and a helpful tool called the Troop Finance Organizer that will help you prepare for final report submission. First, let's talk about when and why Girl Scouts of Nassau County leaders submit the annual troop finance report. All Girl Scouts of Nassau County troops need to submit an annual troop finance report to GSNC and their service unit treasurer every year by June 30th. The report will also require that a May bank statement be attached, so be sure to have that ready while submitting the report. After submitting the report online to GSNC, the leader that submitted it will be sent a copy. They need to be sure to forward that copy to their service unit treasurer. Finance reports are required for financial transparency to all troop members, troop guardians, the service unit treasury, and council finance departments. Bank statements are also required for potential auditing purposes. You will be reminded via email as to when and how to submit the report. If you need any assistance, please email customercare@gsnc.org. Next, you're going to see how to access the annual troop finance report and see all that you need to submit it successfully. To get to the annual troop finance report, first go to our council website, gsnc.org. Then on the top of the home page, select the Volunteers tab. Then on the left-hand side of the page, select Online Support for Volunteers. Then select Troop Annual Finance Report. Now you're at the form. The first section of the form will ask for your service unit, troop number, bank name, and the 3 required signers you have on your troop bank account. The next section will ask you to break down certain sources of income for your Girl Scout troop. You'll need to specify the total amounts of your troop income, specifically your troop dues, Mags and Munchies and cookie proceeds, and any other income your troop received. Then you'll be asked to specify the total amount of your troop expenses, specifically your troop meeting supplies, awards, badges, patches and membership pins, snacks and food, troop trips, event or program participation, and any other expenses your troop incurred. You'll also be asked if you used your troop funds to renew your troop. For any fields that don't apply to your troop, please fill those in with the amount of 0. Then you'll be asked to put your checking account balance as of June 1st and your ending balance as of May 31st. Any troop income or expenses you have after June 1st should be included in next year's finance report, so please don't include it in the current one you're submitting. If your ending balance is greater than $500, you'll be asked to explain what the troop is planning to spend these funds on. The last part of the form will ask you to specify your name, email address, your preferred phone number to be contacted, your troop status, and then finally, you'll be asked to attach your May bank statement. Once you're done filling out all of the fields and have attached your May bank statement, you're ready to click Submit. It's important to know that once you click Submit, you can't make any changes to the report. So be sure all of the fields on the form are carefully and correctly filled in before submitting. Remember, after you submit the report, you'll receive an email with a copy of it. please forward this to your service unit treasurer. If you have any questions about the report, please email customercare@gsnc.org. We want to make the process of tracking your troop income and expenses as easy as possible. We created the Troop Finance Organizer as a tool to help you stay organized and save you time throughout the year while keeping track of everything. The Troop Finance Organizer is an Excel sheet and has the same fields as the annual Troop Finance Report. Since all of these fields are already specified on the Organizer sheet, when it comes time for you to submit the annual Troop Finance Report, all you'll have to do is copy the final amounts from the sheet to the report. Girl Scout troop leaders aren't required to use the Troop Finance Organizer. If you have another method of keeping track of your troop finances, that is completely fine. Just know that the Troop Finance Organizer is available if you need it. If you're interested in downloading the Troop Finance Organizer, it is available on the GSNC online community, also known as the OLC. Please click under this video to access it. The Troop Finance Organizer is meant to be used by you to organize your troop finances. It will not be accepted by GSNC or your service unit treasurer as your annual troop finance report submission. You must take your total amounts from the organizer sheet and transfer them to the annual troop finance report to count as an acceptable submission. Thanks so much for taking the time to increase your Girl Scout knowledge. If you have any questions or want to suggest a training tidbit idea that's not already on our training page, please email us at customercare@gsnc.org.